Situated 50 kilometres outside of Cape Town, in the historic town of Paarl, we at Cape Heat Exchange maintain our international and global market by exporting heat transfer products including radiators to Europe, Asia and the USA. Closer to home, we are expanding ever north and currently have distributors in Namibia, Zimbabwe and Mauritius. Using proven South African technology combined with German precision engineering, we are among the leading manufacturers of bespoke industrial heat exchangers, radiator cores, aluminium radiators and intercoolers. Clients who have used our extensive range of products know our outstanding reputation for product quality and service excellence. Our copper product lineup includes all the catalogued and non-catalogued NCN numbered radiators. These products can also be produced in aluminium, along with all our automotive intercoolers. We specialise in bespoke industrial heat exchangers, of which most are manufactured from aluminium, but in circumstances with demanding environments, other materials are often considered, including but not limited to stainless steel, brass, copper and copper nickel. Our aluminium and industrial division makes use of the flux brazing technique for our automotive and oil intercoolers. We design and manufacture aluminium oil intercoolers for automotive, marine and industrial applications and pride ourselves in producing single one-off units to exact customer specifications. If you are interested in our products or want to know more about what we have to offer, please contact us through our website, che.co.za.